With us today is Amber Carlson, here to show us the latest Bosch innovations. Amber, where do you want to start?
In our Eco Kitchen, we also chose to install our Bosch Dishwasher, part of the 500 series lineup. This unit is ADA compliant, and it's noted as being such in all of our literature. This unit has a shorter tub. All of the controls are accessible from the exterior panel. And then it has an easy-to-use racking system with nice grips. A nice advantage to this unit is that in its price point, we offer a built-in water softener, which can be accessed there by filling up with softening salt. We only offer that on our 800 plus dishwashers and this ADA compliant unit, so it makes it a great value.
Is there anything else you can tell us?
Another nice feature with our ADA compliant unit is that it can accommodate a 6-inch toe kick, which is wonderful when you are installing a European style kitchen.
Okay, thanks, Amber. We hope you've enjoyed this installment of the Imagination-wide HD Networks at the Show. Our store has joined forces with thousands of independent dealers from coast to coast in a nationwide organization with billions of dollars in buying power, so you get the right products at the right price every day. To find out more, just ask any member of our team. We're here to help.